Hello, Earthlings, how are you all? I'm so grateful to all of you that you're there with me in this journey of 21-day challenge. Let's get started, day 15. Today I'm going to talk about how to build your confidence. Will you believe that I had extreme stage fright, stage fear? Yes, I did perform on stage for my Veena performances, dance, and vocals, but talking on stage was I'll go blank, I'll faint, I'll cry, I'll do anything that is possible on this world to get down from the stage. Now I am confident facing camera or talking to people in public because my grandmother, to be frank, has pushed me to do or take up the things which I was always afraid of. There were multiple instances where I gave the name because I have to participate as per my grandmom. I tried attempting, I cried, I forgot, I became nervous, I became blank, I fainted, I failed. I never won. I never won. Forget about winning. I was not able to complete the whole speech. These are the words she always used to say. If you want to overcome nervousness, if you want to overcome stage fright or stage fear, if you want to gain confidence, if you want to build your confidence, the only way is to take that extra step in attempting and participating in it. That is the only way available on this earth to gain the confidence. If you keep escaping from the situation, the nervousness or the fright will increase, it will not decrease. The only way to crack the fear is to face the fear. I think she was right. It turned out to be an extremely valuable lesson for me. Here comes the challenge for today. Do you have a stage fright? Do you have a fear of public speaking? Do you have fear of facing the camera? Irrespective of what the fear is, if you want to get confident about those things, the only way available on this earth is try it out, attempt for it, participate in it. That's okay if you fail in it. I hope before going to bed, you'll think about the things where you're not confident and follow the steps as mentioned in this video. Let me know how you are enjoying these challenges in the comment section and give a thumbs up if you are liking them. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Tomorrow I'll be coming up with a new interesting challenge. Stay connected. Yours truly, San.